Stop wasting your money on a $20+ monthly subscription just to edit a few photos. But today, we are breaking the chains. I have combed through the darkest corners of the open source web and tested every single free editor to find the absolute elite tier of professional Photoshop replacements. I'm going to show you the 5 free tools that will speed up your creative workflow. Let's lock down your production stack. We are kicking things off with the ultimate insider secret that requires zero installation. This is Photopea. Mispronounced as Photoya by some, this is an advanced web app that runs entirely inside your favorite web browser. You don't need to download anything, and you don't even need an account to start working. What makes Photopea special is that its interface doesn't just resemble Photoshop, it feels like an actual clone, completely replicating the layout of the Tools and Layers panels. You just head to the site, go to File, and you can instantly open and edit actual layered PSD files, plus RAWs from your camera. When you are done, you can save your project as a PSD or export individual images as a PNG, JPEG, or dozens of other formats. It is the perfect tool for making lightning-fast edits on any computer, anywhere, completely bypassing the massive paywall. If you are less about photo manipulation and more about digital illustration or actual drawing, do not waste your money renting Adobe software. You need Krita. This is a free, open-source program that has improved spectacularly over the last 2 years. It is designed from the ground up to speed up the workflow for creative artists. It features standard editing tools, but its real power is in the sophisticated pop-up palette. By selecting the freehand brush tool and right-clicking inside your image, you bring up a massive radial selector that gives you quick, fluid access to your colors and a massive library of brush presets. Once you master this palette, it completely redefines speed in a painting workflow. If Krita is too complex and Photopea is too familiar, you need the perfect middle ground speedster. This is Paint.net. First released way back in 2004 as a more advanced alternative to the basic Microsoft Paint, this Windows-exclusive app is now a powerful, award-winning beast. It strips away all the bloated, slow, AI-driven nonsense of modern editors. It gives you exactly what you need: full layer support with blending modes, automatic filters, and a massive library of community-driven plugins to expand its capabilities. Because it is so lightweight, it opens instantly and runs perfectly even on an old, budget-friendly laptop. Of course, you cannot talk about free Photoshop alternatives without mentioning the undisputed, longtime king of the open-source world. This is GIMP. Yes, people have complained that its interface is clunky and that there is a steep learning curve. But GIMP can do just about anything that Photoshop can do, without costing you a single dime. By default, it operates with floating windows. If you hate that look and want a traditional unified workspace, you just head to Windows in the menu bar and check the box for single window mode. It is an absolute monster for advanced photo manipulation, and is still my go-to image editor when creating custom thumbnails for the videos on this channel. Once you get the hang of it, GIMP is really easy to use. Before we reveal our controversial #1 pick, I have a quick bonus for you that Adobe doesn't like to talk about. This is Adobe Express Photos. While they desperately want you to pay $20 a month, Adobe quietly offers this lightweight, completely free alternative in the Microsoft Store. It is stripped down, but it is perfect for casual users needing quick social media edits, applying high-quality filters, and making basic lighting adjustments using Adobe's color science, completely bypassing the massive paywall. Finally, we have arrived at our new #1 pick, and it is going to shock you. For years, the best paid alternative to Adobe was the Affinity suite of tools. They operated on an old-school, one-time payment model instead of a subscription. But since being acquired by Canva, the rules have completely changed. Affinity Photo 2 is now completely free. They have taken their professional photo editor, vector design, and page layout programs and combined them into one massive, all-in-one command center with a ton of customization options. Selecting Pixel gives you an interface that is a seamless alternative to Photoshop and GIMP, including powerful professional image editing and retouching tools. Best of all, they now offer the iPad versions of Affinity Designer, photo, and publisher completely free, allowing you to have a professional studio in your pocket wherever you go. And just like that, you have taken back control of your creative workflow, upgraded your toolbox, and completely loaded your monthly budget. All the official, secure download links to every single one of these elite tier free tools are waiting for you right down in the description below. If this video helped you ditch a monthly subscription today, do me a massive favor and smash that like button to help push this to other creators. Leave a comment and let me know which of these editors you'll download first. But having free design software is only half the battle when it comes to your budget. Right now, your own computer is silently bleeding gigabytes of hidden junk files and background data that are actively choking your system's speed and ruining your workflow. To completely snap your PC back to life, click the video on your screen right now titled Speed Up Windows 11 Fast by Clearing All Cache. I will walk you through the exact steps to deep clean your hard drive and instantly optimize your performance in just a few minutes. Click right there, and I'll see you over in that video.